Promoting ClickFunnels as an affiliate is a great way to earn commissions while helping businesses grow. Here's how to get started. Join the ClickFunnels affiliate program. Sign up for the affiliate program at ClickFunnels Affiliate Center. Once approved, you will receive a unique affiliate link to track your referrals. Understand the offer. Promote ClickFunnels 14-day free trial or its paid plans. Highlight additional products such as the One Funnel Away Challenge, Funnel Builder Secrets, or ClickFunnels 2.0, which offer higher commissions. Build a promotion strategy. Content marketing. Create blog posts, videos, or social media content explaining ClickFunnels benefits and features. Email marketing. Build an email list and send value-packed content along with your affiliate link. Paid advertising. Use platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to target business needing sales funnel solutions. Provide value. Offer bonuses such as templates, ebooks, or free tutorials for anyone signing up through your affiliate link. Share testimonials, case studies, or success stories to build trust. Track and optimize. Use the affiliate dashboard to monitor performance and earnings. Test and tweak your promotional strategies to maximize conversions.